From fresh salads to surprise nests, June has provided some sweet rewards and little wildlife wonders. Welcome back to the Marathon Gardener. June has been non-stop between finishing up planting, wrestling with my rock ferns, weeding, and squeezing in some training for a triathlon. It feels like the final mile to a long race. Across the garden, this strawberry pot is brimming with nasturtiums. Those round, shield-like leaves aren't just pretty, they're peppery and perfect in salads. Here's my mint grow bag, contained on purpose this year to prevent the usual takeover. It's been so convenient for grabbing a few sprigs for my morning smoothies. This gooseneck loosestrife is filling in fast. It's a long-lived perennial that adds drama to the garden, but it does spread quickly. Check back next month to see its stunning white arching flower spikes. Yep, 3 dead fish I discovered in the garden. Could have been a bird raiding a pond or maybe a neighborhood cat or raccoon. I'd love to set up a wildlife camera to catch the mystery in action. My display garden is coming along slowly. The hardy geraniums are a bit sparse, but I love the new Brunnera. And I'm holding out hope for my peony. It's been moved 3 times, but this season it's finally showing signs of life. The hydrangea is starting to bloom. By next month, it'll be glowing blue beside the hostas and ferns. I love trying new things each season. These proven winner spillers are part of this year's experiment. That pot on the boulder, I made it using a garbage can lid as the form. Here's a lipstick plant, planted just for my hummingbirds. Some cheerful daisies in roadside rescued pots, and a lemon tree I got for Mother's Day. It'll be fun to see if I actually get some lemons. This is Nepeta cateria, otherwise known as catnip. Heart-shaped leaves, soft purple blooms, and thriving in this little memory garden I created for Oliver, our beloved cat. Nature gave me a high five this week. A butterfly sighting. I was so excited. It means this garden's doing its job, supporting a healthy ecosystem. My woodland garden bed brings in a calm, layered vibe. With shrubs and ferns, it stays visually interesting year-round. Every June, the arbutus leaves fall like celebratory confetti all over the yard, relentless and messy. I used to think this was just an annoying chore. However, I've since decided maybe this is nature's way of telling me it's time to go out in the garden and do a little walkabout. This gives me an opportunity to check for pests, do any extra weeding, look after any thirsty plants, and lastly, make sure my hummingbird feeders are all topped up. Down the west side walkway, my potatoes are loving their spot among the ferns. And there's another hydrangea coming soon with big white blooms. My sugar snap peas are plump and almost ready to snack on. This hosta loves the shady corner, and the extra watering really helped this year. Except for this variegated one, it's still struggling a bit. But those Mexican daisies are thriving. The lavender is glowing, tall purple spikes, and a scent that's irresistible to bees. Their buzzing reminds me it's all worth it. And finally, one of my favorite spring projects is planting all my containers at the front entrance. I try to keep a consistent color scheme, but love throwing in a few surprises to see what thrives in the low light. Whether it's gardening or any other big goal, the rhythm is the same. Slow start, steady effort, and a beautiful reward if you stick with it. I hope your garden or whatever brings you joy is in bloom today. Don't forget to hit like, comment, or subscribe if you'd like to follow along as I balance marathons, mulch, and so much more. Bye for now.